It's really about being present. When I walk around with my camera, I just like to get lost in the moment. Anything can be interesting. A crack in the sidewalk, a dog running here or there. You just have to be in the right state of mind, and then magic happens. When I was young, my dream was to travel, to see the world. So at some point, I got a job in a newspaper, I saved my money, got a one-way ticket to India, and that was it. I never looked back. My first collaboration with the Macallan was their new distillery. It hadn't been built yet. So I photographed it, and it was this incredible process of starting from nothing, and it blossomed. It became this incredible piece of art. For me, this building is an artistic expression of how nature and the human touch can blend and create a truly unique piece of architecture. I took this picture in Jerez. For me, it symbolizes another extraordinary journey. We followed the wood, how it gets shaped and molded into these really artistic, beautiful casks. The wood came from very particular oak forests in Spain and the United States. And from there, it went to be worked on by these incredible craftsmen who molded the wood and shaped it. This is a very ancient tradition, and this is the same process they do today. The thing I admire about Macallan is they really have this passion for craftsmanship, for excellence. There's an integrity to their process. Sometimes you have to choose the difficult path, the one less taken. Go beyond hardship to reach excellence.